Welcome. We present BIZUIT, a technological platform designed to offer an integral solution to the information needs of organizations. BIZUIT allows to model, execute, monitor, and optimize processes, both inside and outside the organization. It is more than just managing processes, also integrates new and existing applications, ensuring interoperability. In addition, it facilitates rapid application development and uses business intelligence to support decision-making, all in a secure, orchestrated platform. BIZUIT combines 4 products into one, providing a complete solution. First, has the Business Process Management System, known as BPMS. Then, the Business Intelligence Platform, or BI, which allows us to manage key indicators. To this adds the Rapid Application Development Tool, or RAD, ideal for creating solutions in a short time. Finally, offers an Enterprise Integration Platform, or EAI, that connects applications and facilitates interoperability. With its visual approach of drag-and-drop and synchronized documentation, BIZUIT is a powerful and efficient solution. What makes special to BIZUIT is the synergy between these technologies. It combines business intelligence, application integration, rapid development, and process management in a unified environment. This creates a one-of-a-kind tool that addresses multiple business needs from one place. BIZUIT functions as a BPMS, or Business Process Management System, allowing to model, integrate, design, automate and monitor processes. It uses BPMN methodology and workflow to manage logical and productive processes, with a visual designer available for both web and mobile devices. All this ensures that processes are kept visible and controlled, facilitating decision-making, based on real and up-to-date information. Another key feature of BIZUIT is its integration capability, which allows you to connect different systems easily, without the need for programming. With intuitive graphical interfaces, it significantly reduces development time and costs. In addition, offers tools to monitor the flow, manage errors, and ensure traceability, ensuring that integration projects are kept under control and easy to maintain. BIZUIT's Process Designer offers an intuitive visual experience. It allows you to configure processes with visual wizards and perform data mappings and transformations easily. Also facilitates the debugging of models and ensures the execution and traceability of each process, providing a clear view of all ongoing operations. BIZUIT also stands out for its focus on rapid development of applications. It allows to create user interfaces, services, and business components in a short time, thanks to its visual design. In addition, it ensures that documentation is always synchronized with the source code, which improves software maintainability. With BIZUIT, teams can reduce development and testing times, and deploy versions automatically. BIZUIT also includes a powerful business intelligence tool. It enables the creation of real-time dashboards to monitor key indicators and manage alerts for deviations. The information is clearly presented through graphs, tables, and reports, accessible from any device. In addition, offers the possibility to subscribe to the dashboards and receive automatic updates by email. For last, let's talk about the implementation process. The methodology used is incremental and iterative. Business analysts are in charge of the modeling phase. Then, implementers assemble and distribute the solutions. Finally, administrators and analysts oversee the ongoing management of the processes, ensuring that everything works as expected.